Alright, get your phone out of the way.
And different out of David.
I'm gonna upload like 5 videos today.
No, you can't put them because you said you didn't want to come here.
No, just because I didn't want to come.
There's people up there.
Just because I don't want to come
Look like your eyebrows.
And then the San Andreas? Oh, that's so scary.
Somewhere near here, isn't
Ching
it?
chong eyebrows. Ching chong eyebrows.
That's so annoying.
Oh, they don't like you. Ching chong eyebrows.
Stop, Darwin. At least Sharon doesn't film in front of me, so I can see. Stop, Darwin! It took a long time to get this
God.
jelly shirt good.
We're going to drive over the Hoover Dam.
Stop, Darwin!
Darwin, stop bothering him.
Yeah,
Eyebrows.
Darwin, your ching chong eyebrows are gonna eat your ching chong.
Monumento a la madre.
Alright. So basically, right now you might be wondering where we are, or you
Ching
might
chong
not.
eyebrows.
We're in the Hoover Dam.
Ching chong eyebrows.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm just kidding. Hey, Darwin, stop! Get out. The fair. I mean the.
Listen, are you okay?
Oh, look at that golden. Stop, Darwin. Look at these. What is these? I got ching chong eyebrows. Don't judge the book, but in the car. They grow up so fast. Oh yeah. What I Shane, I'm filming you and you're filming that. Wait, I want to see what you're filming. Oh yeah. She's filming. Stop, Darwin. No.
You can sleep on.
Alright.
Oh, the bomb. Mas.
No.
Mas.
Where's in Darwin?
Ah,
Stop.
para frente.
My iPad is here.
Time zone? Where?
You see, Arizona time, even though here was Nevada.
Shoot.
We're in Arizona now?
Yes, sir. Welcome to Arizona.
So this is half of Arizona and half of Las Vegas.
Never.
You think I'm eyebrows?
No, Darwin! Stop! I'm gonna steal your soul. Hi, Darwin, stop! While I watch this video, they're gonna be like, ah, Darwin! Stop!
Okay.
Yes, Judge, I'm sharing.
Okay.
Darwin, si tú no pares de molestar, ya sabes.
Ooh! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ching chung gamadungna. 3 minutes and 40 seconds long. The boring is vlog. Boring vlog number 58. My vlogs are so boring. Like the video if my vlogs are boring. I just want to get likes because the normal vlogs are boring. Ew. Boy, no wonder you only have 11 subscribers.
No wonder because
Oh.
No, because
Ya.
everybody wants to see your big one.
boy, yeah.
Mira, Orsin.
Don's gonna get in front of the camera like always.
Hey, look
Oh
at
my!
Arizona.
Look at Don's.
Yeah, look at my beautiful face.
I said ear. I'm sorry, Sharon. I have to be on you. I'm sorry you guys have to experience this, but this is part of my life. Stop it. I don't even know if y'all can see me or not, because like my iPad's turned around. Well, I hope y'all can. I mean, at least I think.
We're not gonna park right.
to leave right now. Oh.
Rồi.
No. Why do we have to park?
Va saliendo aquí.
I wanna
No,
fall.
Iván.
I wanna fall off that cliff. Oh, my nose.
Jane, are you gonna stay? Yeah?
Ok, pues aquí se quedan.
I mean, if one of you stay, I'll stay. But like, not Barney. Like, if Amy stays, I mean, or Theo stays out. Then you're gonna stay? Alright, I'm gonna stay. Bye for me. No, I'm just kidding. Well, that's gonna be the end of this 6-minute boring vlog. Not even a vlog. I just want to make sure. I just want y'all to leave a like. Remember, I'll put the link down below to my friend. He does Fortnite. And wait, let me see. Alright, so it's been me and I'm out. Like,